Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to take our Chapter 8 math test for ThinkCentral. Now, if for some reason you cannot go on ThinkCentral to take the test, then you should follow along and write down your answers that go along with this video in your notebook. Vamos a tomar el examen de capítulo 8 de matemáticas y lo deben hacer en ThinkCentral. Si por alguna razón no pueden entrar a ThinkCentral, deben seguir ese video y poner sus respuestas en una página del cuaderno y me mandan una foto para poder calificarla. If you do take it on ThinkCentral, that is great. I just want you to understand that this is a student test and your questions might be slightly different with different numbers on them. So don't remember the numbers because all the math tests are a little different. Just use this as just a review of the questions. So si lo vas a tomar en ThinkCentral, que yo pienso que es mejor y más fácil para ustedes, ten de cuenta que las preguntas que vamos a ver en este video no van a ser iguales para todos los niños. So quizás tu examen tiene la misma pregunta, pero con diferentes números. So no te recuerdes de los números y use esos números. Use los números que tienes adelante cuando lo tomas en ThinkCentral. All right. So when you get to ThinkCentral, hopefully you're doing it on ThinkCentral. You're going to click on things to do. Oops, sorry. I'm supposed to be doing it around here. You're going to be clicking on things to do, and you're going to scroll till you see Math Chapter 8 test. That's what I called it. Okay, so vas a encontrar donde dice Matemáticas, capítulo 8, examen. Click on it again. You're used to doing this. Deben saber cómo hacer esto. Hit start. Okay, and so we're going to see what the questions look like. It says,
drag each addition or subtraction problem into the correct box below the answer.
Okay, so this looks a lot like the one that we did on our chapter review test. Dice, tienes que restregar cada oración de sumar o restar en la cajita a donde tiene la respuesta. Y hicimos uno así en el examen del paquete. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the first one with you. So for example, 4 plus 3 I know is 7. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to drag it to the box that has 7. Okay, so por ejemplo, 4 más 3, yo sé que son 7, entonces lo voy a restregar la cajita que tiene el número 7. And I'm going to go ahead and do that for all the other ones. Tengo que hacer los otros también. Make sure they are all in the boxes before you hit next. So cada uno tiene que estar en una cajita antes que le hagas a la flechita. All right, here's the next one.
Select all the ways that name the model. Select all that apply.
Okay, so vamos a seleccionar todas las maneras que este modelo se puede explicar abajo. And since it says all the ways, we know that there's more than one way. So vamos a ver cuántas diferentes maneras hay. I will give you a clue and I will tell you that there's 2 right answers and 1 wrong answer. So te voy a dar la clave que hay 2 respuestas que están bien y hay una que está mal. So that means that you're going to have to hit the letter. Tienes que darle a la letra, a 2 letras para que salga la respuesta. Make sure you are hitting the 2 letters so they light up, the ones that you think are correct, and then hit next. Y le das a la flechita. All right, here is number 3.
Sasha has 60 stickers. She uses 40 of them.
Okay, so Sasha tiene 60 stickers y usa 40 de ellos. And then it says,
how many stickers are left?
¿Cuánto les quedan? So I can see that hopefully this won't mess me up here. I can see that my numbers are 60 and 40. And my math important word is left. So es 60 y 40 son los números y dice cuántos quedan. So that should tell you what to do with the numbers. If you're doing it in ThinkCentral, make sure you have a paper and pencil on the side so that you can work out the problem. And then put your answer in the box right over here. Okay, so si lo estás haciendo en la computadora, perfecto, pero esté seguro que tienes un papel con un lápiz al lado para poder trabajar con cada pregunta. All right, and I'm going to continue next. It says,
use the 100 chart to add, count on by ones or tens.
Okay, dice, usa la tabla de 100 para sumar, cuenta con unidades o decenas. So I'm going to look at the bottom here and I see that it says 41 plus 10. Dice 41 más 10. So that means that I'm going to start with 41. I'm going to find it on my 100 chart. There it is. And I'm going to add 10 more. So voy a sumar 10 más. You should know that when we add tens, we jump down. When we add ones, we jump across. So si estás sumando decenas, brincamos para abajo. Y si están sumando unidades, brincan hacia adelante. So go ahead and figure that out. And then don't forget to type in or write in your answer in the box. La respuesta va en la cajita. When you're done with that, you're going to hit the button for next. Okay, number 5.
Use the model to find the number of tens and ones.
Okay, dice, usa el modelo para encontrar cuántas decenas y unidades. So just go ahead and count the picture and you're going to write the answer in the box. Tienes que contar los modelos en el dibujo y poner la respuesta en la cajita. Easy enough. Let's continue. Number 6.
Use the model to find the number of tens. Then complete the number sentence.
Okay, so vas a usar el modelo para ver cuántas decenas hay y poner la respuesta en la cajita. Don't forget, you're also going to count how many ones you have. You should probably make a 10 with those ones because you have a lot of ones. So con tantas unidades puedes hacer una decena y vas a ver que la respuesta va a tener una decena más. All right, and then you're going to write it in the box, pon en la cajita, and hit next. Number 7.
Complete the addition sentence that the model shows.
All right, sorry about that speaker coming out. Okay, so tienes que completar la oración de sumar que dice el modelo. So I already have the first number on the top here. I already know that's 47 because it gives me that on the bottom there. So all I have to do is figure out what that number is and put it in this box. Ya yo sé el número de arriba es 47, so tengo que averiguar el número de abajo y ponerlo en la cajita. And when you're done with that, you hit next. Here's number 8.
Select the difference for 17 minus 7.
Selecciona la diferencia para 17 menos 7. So, puedes usar tu cuaderno para averiguar o quizás lo sabes en la cabeza. So, you can use your notebook or maybe you already know that answer in your head. Make sure you're looking at the symbol is minus. Estamos restando. No se olvide del símbolo. Number 9.
Select the sum for 30 plus 30.
Okay, tienes que seleccionar la suma para 30 más 30. This time we're using the plus sign. So make sure that you are adding. Estamos usando el símbolo de sumar. So esté seguro que están sumando. Number 10.
Louis has 28 red leaves. He has 39 yellow leaves.
Okay, so Luis tiene 28 hojas rojas y 39 amarillas.
How many leaves does Louis have?
¿Cuántas hojas tiene Luis?
Enter the number that makes the sentence true.
Y pon el número que haga la oración que sea verdad.
Louis has blank leaves.
Okay, so this looks a lot like the one that was on the review test. And you can go ahead and use your notebook to draw a model for 28 and draw a model for 39. So ese se parece mucho a la que estaba en el examen del libro. So esté seguro que en el cuaderno dibujas un modelo para 28 y otro para 39. Y cuando tengas la suma, la vas a poner en la cajita. After you find your sum, make sure you write it in the box. Make sure you add up all those ones. There's a lot of ones in those two numbers. Hay muchas unidades en esos dos números. All right. And we're almost done. Got 2 more.
Select the math sentences. Count back by tens.
Oh, my speaker sounds horrible. Dice, selecciona las oraciones de matemática que cuentan para arriba y para abajo, o adelante y atrás, para las decenas. So this is kind of like the one we did for matching in the chapter review test. Es como la que hicimos en el examen del libro que teníamos que poner las líneas. So 47 plus 30 equals which one has the same fact family. So estoy buscando no la respuesta, pero cuál tiene la misma familia de números. So I don't need to know the answer. I just need to know which ones, A or B, has the same numbers as in the top one. So I'm looking for which of these matches with the numbers in this one over here. Okay, and there's 2 questions for this one. Hay 2 preguntas. So I have to pick A or B on the top, and then I have to answer one for that one too. There's 2 answers. Don't just do one, because then you're going to get only half credit. So esté seguro que estás escogiendo una respuesta para cada una. Son 2 respuestas, porque no te va a dar crédito para la pregunta entera. All right, and then the very last question, number 12.
Enter the sum of 46 and 37.
Okay, so for 46 and 37, again, use your notebook, draw a model for 46, draw a model for 37. Make sure you count all those ones. You can make a 10, and then write your answer in the box. So esté seguro de usar el cuaderno para dibujar un modelo para los 2 números. Cuenta bien las unidades, porque hay muchas unidades y puedes hacer una decena. Y cuando tengas la suma, lo pones en la cajita. All right, boys and girls, good luck. I hope that you do very well on the test, and we will be checking on ThinkCentral to see how you do. Really, really try to log into ThinkCentral, because it's a lot easier than writing in your notebook. But if you can't, then that's the way to do it, and send us a picture so we can see. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.